Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT8 Pro Dream Edition, and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find About Device. Then let's scroll down and find Version and Localize version number. Now keep tapping on it until you'll see the information that you're in the developer mode and enter your screen lock to confirm. Here we've got the information, so now we can go back to the general list of the settings and tap on System and Update. Then let's tap on developer options, and as you can see here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. This list is really long. So for example, we can enable the strict mode, we can show view updates, change window animation scale, show surface updates. Here we've got some options which are connected with the networking overall, because we've got USB, Wi-Fi, etc. So basically all of those options work just like regular settings, for example. So if you wish to turn on something, just tap on the switcher, and if you wish to turn it off, tap on it again. If you've got the options without the switcher, simply tap on them to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can turn them off. Just go to the top of the list and tap on the switcher at the top. Your device needs to be restarted, so of course you can tap on a restart, and after powering up, your device will simply remove the developer options from System and Update. Also be aware that if you will customize the developer options and then turn them off, then the customization might be disabled. So it's better to keep the developer options turned on if you've customized something. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.